Hi, this is Steph with Belladonna Dyes, and today we're going to make a scrunch snow dye. This is a really easy pattern. All you have to do is scrunch, scrunch, scrunch. Once you get it all scrunched up the way you like it, it's time to secure it. I don't have rubber bands quite large enough for this, so I'm going to use kite string. I tried with the rubber bands, and since they were tight, it was making the shirt taco up, so basically fold in on itself, and you don't want that to happen. I went a little crazy with the kite string. You could get away with using probably quite a bit less, but I wanted it to be nice and snug. Once you get it all secure, just tie it off with a simple double knot. I'm using this Reynolds foil that I get at Costco to create a barrier to hold the snow in. For this project, just sprinkle the dye around in a random pattern. I like to use these disposable spoons, however, I don't throw them away. I just rinse them off in the sink and then throw them in the dishwasher, and when they're dry, I just reuse them. Once you have all the dye on it the way you want it, go ahead and put the snow barrier on. A quick little sprinkle of soda ash for good measure. Snow melts a lot quicker than ice, so you want to put on a nice thick layer. After all the snow is melted, that's when you start watching the clock and let the shirt batch for at least 24 hours. After the 24 hours, it's time to rinse. Always start by using cold water. That stops any soda ash that might still be left in the shirt, and then gradually increase the water up to hot and rinse until the water runs clear. From here, it's going to go into the washing machine. I like to do a hot water cycle. Then I do another hot water cycle using textile detergent, which I use Synthropol from Dharma. And then a third hot water cycle using Millsoft to bring softness back into the shirt. And then it goes into the dryer and we see our results. Well guys, here it is. Here's our shirt. So the request for this shirt was a camouflage inspired shirt. Yeah, I can see the inspiration, but there's too much pink and purple in it for camouflage. I think the better black is what's throwing out the purple, kind of a reddish purple. It's really pretty. So I don't know, I really do like this shirt. What do you guys think? Go ahead and leave me some comments down below. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, give a thumbs up, and click the bell for future notifications. And remember, have fun tie-dyeing.